Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. It is time for
Wind Up Wednesday!
It is Christmas next week, which I am super excited
It's
for.
good to see you made your effort.
I actually remembered it this time,
Yeah.
which is good. I like my jumper. Everyone always says that they don't, but I love it. T-Rex.
That famous Christmas dinosaur.
Yeah, they were around in the first Christmas, so it's fine. It's fine. There we go. Maybe not. Okay, Chris, do you want to explain what we're doing today?
We are going to play mince pie wrap, unwrap. Mince pie wrap.
So good. Have a wrap for us, Chris.
We've already discussed this. I can't rap. Okay. Because all my raps go, yo, check what the mic.
Check on the mic.
We're gonna eat a mince pie and hopefully not die. That's good. Christmassy. It's got a little weird.
No, we don't do that. We don't do that. Okay, so what have we actually got to do?
The idea of this game is to quickly put on a hat, scarf and gloves, unwrap a mince pie and then eat the mince pie the quickest. The first person to consume their mince pie will be the winner. Do you love a mince pie?
I do like a mince pie. Some people don't. I think it's like Marmite. You either love them or hate them.
I love mince pies. You have to wait to eat your first mince pie. I've chatted to somebody the other day who's been eating mince pie since October, which I just think is a crime.
I have a confession. I had my first mince pie in October. So good.
They are good. I do love them. They're so bad for you as well. A hot mince pie is the best thing.
It is. It's
Anyway,
really good.
let's get on with this
Let's
game.
go. 3, 2, 1.
Tiny gloves. Flipping it, man.
I wrapped it.
You wrapped it really well.
You can't use your teeth.
Why? You never said.
No, you never said. Oh! How have you done that? No.
Oh my. This is definitely not the consume. You're a whole mince pie. Oh man, this is all I do eat. It tastes so good though. Wow, this is so hard to swallow. Christmas champion! Christmas champion! You still got some left in you?
I did, I just tried to shove it in.
Oh, that's a pleasant sight.
I'm not happy.
Oh, how can you not be happy? It's Christmas! You're just eating a mince pie! Oh yeah, but you lost to me again. Hey!
You did that a lot quicker than I thought you would.
Yeah, it was hard to get, there was no way that I was going to unwrap it.
Use your teeth, you weren't allowed to do that.
Never said. Tactics.
Can I tell you look really good in
Yeah,
that
very good.
hat, scarf and gloves.
Oh, thanks very much.
Hat barely fits your head, so...
I didn't want to ruin your hat by
Mistake.
stretching it over my big head. But you know, you want a little flick. See you later, guys.
See you later.